Once more, we have Minette. Minette? Minette? Look! Look, baby. Hi. Then we have Miss Tanguette, who just is leaving us. Yeah, to go see Christian. Then we have Minou, who is just having a great old time. Yeah, aren't you, Minou? Huh? What do you say? What do you say? Yeah, that's what you say. And then we have Piaf, who has a lot to say. And she's walking away from Minou, who's walking toward me. And there you go. We're having a great time. Kitties? Minou? Minou? What do you think? Huh? You want to roll around for a minute? Minou, want to roll around? Yeah. Okay. Good boy. There you go.